There's my front door. Because the wind was blowing both directions. Now, they have cleaned off my entryway. We have people that shovel that because I have an apartment, so they do have to maintain it. So we have stairs. But then the dogs had to try to traverse this morning. This is their potty spot. And so this is the snow we got. This is about 7 inches. And it's still coming. Something's coming down. I don't know if it's just blowing from the roofs or if it's actually snowing. So let's take a little walk here. I'll show you my car because I parked under the awning last night. Yeah, they do shovel, but after they shoveled, there's also snow still falling apparently. Yeah, that is, how much does that look like? That looks like almost 7 inches maybe piled up. Yeah, and we're in the valley, okay? We are in the valley. The mountains are getting feet. California mountains, oh my God, you guys. California mountains are supposed to, it's like the first time LA's issued a blizzard warning. I believe it. Okay, see, yeah, there are cars under the awning. But thing is, look at the roads. You can't even tell where the road is. I don't think I'm going anywhere. Yeah, the snow is blowing both ways. My friend has over a foot of snow at her front door. She opened her door and there's over a foot of snow. And yeah, there's one of my cars right there. No, that's not one of mine. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, that's mine. That's not the one I'm driving right now, though, thank goodness. It is the only four-wheel drive one. I do have four-wheel drive on that car, but I don't drive it too much. In the summer I don't. It doesn't have air conditioning, but yeah, that's the car sitting out. That's what it looks like. Definitely not buried, but this one kind of looks buried almost. And if the sun had come out, we wouldn't have been too bad. So let's see. There's my place. Yeah. Yeah, we are known for snow here. So it's very pretty if you don't have to go anywhere. We're good. Oh, look at the ice. We get icicles on our vehicles because it starts melting. And then we get the icicles. And we have to make sure we knock all that ice off because if we're driving down the road, ice chunks will fly off of a vehicle and it'll bust up another car behind you. So it's actually, there's a law or something that you have to make sure you knock all the ice off and don't drive behind big trucks because they'll have bigger ice and it'll bust your, if it hits your window, it'll bust it. Yeah, look at the drifts. The drifts are huge. This is fun if you like it. Or if your dog likes to play in the snow. Fortunately, my stuff's facing the other way, so it's not too bad. But we have icicles up on our building. I love that. The office has icicles hanging from it because, yeah, it's definitely still snowing. It's like 1 in the afternoon. So I thought you guys might like to see what we got from this little storm. Little, yeah, I would say this is little because we don't have whiteout conditions down here in the valley. Now that's different other places. Go to Ryan Hall Y'all on YouTube, watch his live broadcast. He's talking about the whole country. So yeah, this is our pretty snowstorm that we got. So this is my little walk. Show you what we got, okay? You guys stay warm where you're at. Stay prepared. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Watch Ryan Hall Y'all on YouTube. And he's giving live information about the storm all over the country. Okay, take care.